Spicy Medtech here. So since malapit na po yung board exam, I will be having these sort of must-knows and recalls for the 6 board subjects. And in this video, I will be starting with microbiology. Let's begin. So the first question is, which of the following tests are rapid, inexpensive, and is best used to differentiate S. aureus from S. pneumoniae? A. Catalase test, B. Elect test, C. Camp test, or D. Reverse camp test. You may now pause the video if you want to answer, and we will follow up with the rationale after 3 seconds. So, answer po ay letter A, catalase test. So, itong catalase test po natin is used to identify catalase-positive organisms from catalase-negative organisms or organisms that contain the enzyme catalase. Yung elect test naman po natin ay for the identification of Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Yung camp test po natin is for the identification of S. agalactiae. Tapos yung reverse camp test po naman is for the identification of Clostridium perfringens. Number 2. Which of the following growth media identifies species of Aspergillus? A. Japex agar, B. Lowenstein-Jensen, C. Cornmeal agar, or D. Petragnani. So, ang answer po natin ay letter A, Japex agar. Japex agar or Japex dox agar was developed by Friedrich Japek and Arthur Dox for the growth of Aspergillus. Letter B and D are for the growth of Mycobacterium, and C, cornmeal agar, is used for the growth of Candida albicans. Next, which of the following antibiotics inhibit cell wall synthesis? A. Vancomycin, B. Sulfonamides, C. Gentamicin, or D. Both A and B. So, answer po natin ay letter A, vancomycin. So, it is an antibiotic that inhibits cell wall synthesis. Yung B naman po is antibacterial siya, pero hindi siya isang antibiotic. Yung letter C po naman is gentamicin, which inhibits protein synthesis. Number 4. All of the following are characteristics of a cestode except cestodes are monoecious. B. Can be hermaphroditic. C. Cestodes lack a digestive tract. Or D. All cestodes need an intermediate host. So, ang answer po sa number 4 ay letter D. All cestodes need an intermediate host. Although it is true that most cestodes need an intermediate host, there is an exception in the form of Hymenolopis nana, which can directly infect humans through ova ingestion. Number 5. Which of the following organisms produce the red pigment called Prodigiosin? A. Serratia marcescens, B. Pseudomonas aeruginosa, C. Helicobacter pylori, or D. Both A and B. So, answer po natin sa number 5 ay letter A, Serratia marcescens. So, although Pseudomonas can produce a red pigment, it is not prodigiosin. The red pigment produced by Pseudomonas is called pyruvin. So, the answer is letter A. Number 6. Which of the following is used to treat tuberculosis? A. Rifampin, B. Isoniazid, C. Rifampicin, or D. All of the above. So, ang answer po dito sa number 6 is D. All of the above. If you didn't know, Rifampin is one and the same with Rifampicin, and B. Isoniazid is also another antibiotic that treats tuberculosis. So, basically, Rifampin and isoniazid are all antibiotics used to treat tuberculosis. Number 7. Which of the following culture media contains anisomycin to counteract fungal growth? A. Thier-Martin medium, B. Modified Thier-Martin medium, C. Martin-Lewis agar, or D. New York City agar. So, ang answer po natin dito sa number 7 ay letter C, Martin Lewis agar. So, if you noticed, all of the choices are used to grow Neisseria. So, letter A, Thayer Martin medium, contains nystatin, as well as modified Thayer Martin medium for fungal inhibition. So, letter C naman is our anisomycin. And for D, New York City agar contains the antifungal agent called amphotericin B. So number 8, which of the following pairs are correctly matched in terms of prevalence per age group? A, adults is to Streptococcus agalactiae. B, neonates is to S. agalactiae as well. C, infants is to Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Or D, none are correct. So, ang answer po natin dito sa number 8 ay letter B, neonates is to S. agalactiae. So, if you notice the trend of this question, it all points to the bacterial causative agents of meningitis. So, for adults, it should have been Neisseria meningitidis. For neonates, it's correct, Streptococcus agalactiae. And for infants, it should have been Haemophilus influenzae. Number 9. Which of the following causes glandular fever? A, rubella. B, Epstein-Barr virus. C, hepatitis B virus. Or D, human papilloma virus. So, answer po natin dito sa number 9 ay letter B, Epstein-Barr virus or EBV. So, glandular fever is also known as infectious mononucleosis. So, itong letter A, which is rubella, causes German measles or the 3-day measles, which is not to be confused with the rubeola, which is the causative agent of measles. Hepatitis B virus obviously causes hepatitis, and human papilloma virus, which causes HPV. And for the last question, which Plasmodium species is characterized by enlarged RBCs or red blood cells, Schuffner dots, and an amoeboid cytoplasm? A, Plasmodium falciparum. B, Plasmodium vivax. C, Plasmodium ovale. Or D, Plasmodium malariae. So, answer po natin dito sa number 10 ay letter B, Plasmodium vivax. So, we can easily tell Plasmodium species apart microscopically through their different inclusions. So, for P. falciparum, we would be looking for Maure's dots. For Plasmodium vivax, you would be looking for the Schuffner's dots. For Plasmodium ovale, we would be looking for James dots. And for D, Plasmodium malariae, we would be looking for the Siemens dots. So, that would be all for now. And then, soon, mag-upload po ako ng mga for clinical chemistry, yung mga high-yield questions, tapos yung mga clinical chemistry must-knows. So, for now, please like and share to your friends na magta-take ng September board exams. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.